Hello everyone. Imagine a world where you don't need to write 2000 word blog posts. You don't need to pay for website hosting and you don't even need to show your face on camera to make money online. Today I'm going to show you how to tap into a platform that is often dismissed as just a place for wedding planning or recipe hunting, but is actually powerful visual search engine. We are talking about Pinterest affiliate marketing for beginners. Why Pinterest? Most people that Pinterest like social media, but is more like Google with pictures. On TikTok or Instagram, your post dies in 24 hours. On Pinterest, a pin you create today can drive traffic and commission for years. People go to Pinterest to plan and buy. They are looking for solutions, and you are going to provide them. The biggest barrier for most beginners is the tech setting up a website. Here is the good news. In 2026, Pinterest and most major affiliate programs like Amazon Associate, Etsy, or Share Sales allow you can link directly to the product. You find products, you create beautiful pin, you put your unique affiliate link there, this destination link field. When someone clicks that pins and buys, you get commissions. Simple as that. uh, Three steps get started today. uh, First one, set up business account. It is free. This gives you analysis so you can see exactly which pins are making you money and which ones are flopping. Second step is choose your niche. Don't be generalist though. Pick something visual, home decor, tech gadgets, sustainable fashion, or even travel gear. Step 3, create high click pins. Use free tools like Canva. Use vertical images and add a hook like to find most have a social bedroom. Uh, to keep your account safe, you must follow two golden rules. First one, disclose. Always add two hashtags, add an affiliate in your description. It is a legal requirement and Pinterest rule. Second one, no link shortens. Never use bit.ly or tiny URL. Pinterest spam filters hate them. Use the full raw affiliate link provided by the brand. Okay. Pinterest affiliate marketing isn't a get rich quick scheme, but it is a get started quick business. It is about consistency. If you can commit to pinning 3 or 5 high quality products recommendations a day, you are building a digital asset that works for you while you sleep. Stop scrolling through Pinterest for inspiration and start using it for income. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon. Next video.